everyone, it's Anna Seidel, and I would like to introduce you to our new Bliss Kiss Nail Oil Squeeze Pen. This is the first pen on the market that can hold up to 8 milliliters of your favorite oil. The first thing you're going to notice is that there are 3 components. There is the barrel that holds the oil, there is the brush, and the cap with the proximal nail fold cuticle pusher. The first thing you need to do is put a small drop of oil around this area to help it slide into the barrel easier. Then you're going to fill the barrel to your desired amount. And I don't usually fill mine completely because I have several around the house. And you want to push that in until it snaps. Now, what I'd like you to try is squeeze a drop of oil out so you realize how much pressure you need to squeeze. Then you just want to apply that to your skin quickly and easily. Make sure that you get underneath and work on those calluses that tend to get dry and hard around the edges of our nails. And then you're going to rub that in, and you really want to stimulate the matrix back behind your cuticle line because that is where new nail cells are created. So we want to increase the blood flow so we have healthier nails. Let's talk about the proximal nail fold cuticle pusher. Like you can see in this image here, the cuticle is actually the dead skin on the nail plate. And so what we want to do is release the keratinized proximal nail fold from the cuticle. For some people, that cuticle has a death grip and can really stretch out the proximal nail fold. So about every 4 or 5 days is when I will push that back, just with the intention of releasing the proximal fold from the cuticle.